Good morning, guys. It's officially day 2 of Drift Week. We're here at the Airbnb. We got a big Airbnb to fit all the people here. Some of the guys have already left. It's kind of late in the morning. We drove late last night, so we slept in. Basically, today's just a day to get ready for another night of drifting. We are doing 2 days at Honda Musselman Circuit. Last night was pretty good. We had some really good driving sessions. Yeah, so tonight we should get more of the same. We figured out a few problems with the car, so we're gonna go try and address that today. Unfortunately, my bumper fell off last night, and literally on day 1, this is what I'm dealing with. So, kind of bummed about that, but it is what it is. Mechanically, the car's pretty solid. I don't have any major issues. We ended up doing, put some spacers to raise the hood up to try and evacuate a little bit of the hot air. So that we can keep the car cooler. It was getting warm. But yeah, it should be a good day today. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and get our day started. Dan ran out of gas. Can run out of gas.
Where's he at?
I don't know, he sent me a pin.
Hey, we gotta go.
Dude, I just want food. Hey guys, it's day 2 of Drift Week. We woke up a little bit late and drove late last night, but working on footage and stuff. That's one of the parts is getting the YouTube content out. But we came to get breakfast at a Mexican restaurant, and then Dan hits me up. He's like, "Yo, I ran out of gas." So we're gonna get back in the car, go buy a gas can, and go rescue Dan. That's how the day's going. But it should be a good one. The car's pretty solid. We don't have anything to do other than just go to the track and drive. We are about to head to the track. It's actually evening time now. We haven't done a whole lot today. Been working on editing videos and getting everything up to speed. The party's about to get started. The car's pretty solid and we don't have a whole lot to do. So we're just gonna go to the track and capture as much footage as we can. And just trying to have a good day and not break the car because we have to drive to Texas. Tomorrow, next day, whenever it is, we gotta drive to Texas. So little update on Seth. I called him and they ran into a few issues. He's getting everything sorted right now so he can head to Texas. Something with his supercharger kit, the tuning wasn't just right, so he wants to make sure that's all set before he hits the road. But that'll be cool to have Seth meet up with us. Kind of been missing having him around. But yeah. Dude, this relay looks melted. But still, where's that getting power from? Right here? Back and forth. Okay, the relay's working.
Do you feel it?
Yeah. So that means we got power coming into the relay.
But not going out.
Or, I guess there's 2 power sources. Alright, I gotta grab my power broom. Yeah, if this fan's done for, like, you can't drive tonight.
Yeah.
No way. I heard it, didn't you? For a
I
sec.
thought I heard it too.
Move this to there. Stretch. Just. There we go. Wonder what kind of problems that's going to cause. Oh, it's not even tight. There we go. This is stuff I learned from Fulkerson.
Shout out to Mike.
This used to be his car, actually.
Really?
Yep. Sky Fleming owned it, and then Mike bought it from him. Car's been around. So basically, the relay, something happened with this relay. I mean, this is the one part of the car that we don't look at because I didn't have a chance to fix all this wiring. Anyways, we got a fan relay over here. Something's wrong with the relay. You can see it's melted. My label's melted. The wiring harness looks melted. So I don't think this can handle the amperage of this high draw Taurus fan. Anyways, I just ran power straight to the alternator off the fan, unfused, unprotected. So hopefully the car doesn't burn to the ground. But at least it'll get us to the track tonight until I have time to rewire a relay and stuff. So back in business, let's hit the road and get to the track.